Today is the 10th day of month of Muharram in Hijri calendar of 1446. This day was well known as the Holy Ashura. The day is being observed across the country with due religious solemnity. Muslims across the world recall the sacrifice of Hazrat Imam Hussain radiallahu anhu along with his family members and 72 followers who embraced martyrdom in 1680 AD in the desert of Karbala on the banks of Euphrates River in Iraq while fighting for truth and justice against the Yazid forces. Their self-sacrifice at Karbala Maidan to uphold the great ideals of Islam, the religion of peace and harmony, is a shining example in the history of humanity. On the eve of Holy Ashura, President Mohammad Shahabuddin and Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina issued separate messages paying deep respect to Hazrat Imam Hussain radiallahu anhu and other martyrs of Karbala.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।